Hi folks, I usually use flour, salt and water to make dumplings, but I'm going to share a variation of my recipe with you. I use 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of shortening or butter, a teaspoon of salt, and between 1/3 to 2/3 cups of water, depending on how firm I want the dough. So I combined the flour, salt, and baking powder in a bowl, then rubbed in the shortening. Then I added enough water to make the dough, a fairly firm one, and set it aside. In the meantime, I heated a pot of water with salt to taste, then used fist-sized pieces of dough and rolled them into balls. I used the base of my palm and pressed from the center outward, making the dumplings flat and round. I carefully added the shaped dough to the simmering water and cooked the dumplings. Yep, the dumplings will float to the top. Serve the dumplings hot. I enjoy eating white dumplings with saltfish or mackerel. So good.